Very good morning and welcome back again to the lecture series of Principle of Communication Engineering, module number 4, Radio Receiver, lecture number 28. In previous lecture, number 27, we discussed about the super heterodyne radio receiver block diagram, its purpose of the super heterodyne radio receiver as compared with the tuned radio frequency receiver, and we discussed about the various important points which is related parameters while selecting a super heterodyne radio receiver: selectivity, then image frequency selection, as well as the IF amplifier selection or amplifier selection. In today's lecture, we define the concept of automatic gain control and its type in communication receiver. Then we compare the FM receiver block diagram and AM receiver in some parameters. First, we define what is meant by automatic gain control. So let us, in AGC circuit, the compensate for minor variation in radio frequency signal. Whenever we receive the signal from transmitter side, there is a fluctuation or variation in radio frequency signal level. So it is automatically to increase the receive gain or for the weak signal or for weak RF input level, or automatically decreasing the receive gain when the strong RF signal is received. So automatic gain control is a circuit which automatically increase the receive gain for a weak RF input level, or automatically decreasing the receive gain for the when the strong RF signal is received from the RF transmitter. Then what are the types of automatic gain control circuit? Simple AGC, delayed AGC and forward AGC. First we define one by one. Simple AGC. The AGC circuit monitors receive signal level and sends signal back to the RF and intermediate frequency amplifier to adjust the gain automatically. So which receive the signal, and as soon as it receives the signal and set feedback to the RF and image frequency amplifier to adjust the gain of the automatically. So AGC form, this type of form is degenerate or negative feedback will be used here. Then we define the AGC circuit which produces the voltage, adjusts the receiver gain, keeps the image frequency carrier power at the input detector constant. That is nothing but the simple AGC circuit. Then delayed AGC circuit. With the simple AGC, the AGC has bias begin increasing as soon as the receive signal level increasing. So leads to false triggering and receive becomes less sensitive, which is called as a automatic desensing. And delay AGC prevents the feedback voltage until the RF level exceed and predetermine the magnitude. So after AGC threshold output propose, the carrier signal is strength. So this type of is called as a delayed AGC. Then we define a forward AGC. Forward AGC, it is a both delay and simple AGC called as a post AGC after the fact, that compensation, that is called as a post AGC. AGC voltage changes indicates it may be too late. So in forward AGC, receive signal monitor to close the in front of the receiver and correction voltage is fade. That is called as a forward AGC. Now in next we define the comparison between the various parameter with the AM receiver and FM receiver. First we define the principle. The first parameter is principle. So AM and FM receiver, both the receiver are working with the super heterodyne principle. So super heterodyne receiver will be used in AM and FM. Then RF amplifier. In RF amplifier is optional for the AM receiver, but it mandatory for FM receiver. Then limiter circuit. In AM receiver, the limiter circuit not be used, but it is used in FM circuit after the intermediate frequency amplifier. Then 4th point is automatic gain control. After detector it will be implemented, and AGC in a FM receiver it will be implemented after the limiter. De-emphasis circuit not used in AM receiver, but it is used in FM receiver. The image frequency range 470 kHz for the AM receiver, and for FM receiver is 10.8 MHz. Then input frequency range. The input frequency range for AM receiver in two ranges, 530 kHz to 1650 kHz, and second range 3 MHz to 30 MHz for the AM receiver. For FM receiver, we already know that it is in megahertz, 88 MHz to 108 MHz. Then quality of the sound, it is interfere to that AM radio, so superior to that AM. So sound quality of FM receiver is superior as compared to the AM receiver. Capture effect is absent in AM receiver, but it is present in FM receiver. Cost, in terms of the cost parameter, so AM receiver are more costlier than the FM receiver, and FM receiver are cheaper than the AM receiver. Now we define the size bigger than the FM receiver, and as compared to the FM receiver are smaller than the AM receiver. So in this lecture we discuss about the AGC, concept of AGC and types of the AGC, and comparison between the AM and FM radio receiver with the various parameters, which will be helpful to the descriptive part as well as the in MCQ. So we can stop here. With this lecture we complete the module number 4. If you have any query, you can ask me personally on email or WhatsApp. Please, thanks for watching my video. Give your valuable suggestion for any, so I will more clarify my video.